Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Devorsijana, consultant biostatistician and young scientist. Today we will discuss step by step guide to do data analysis in research. So let's watch my video.
Today we are diving into the fascinating world of data analysis in research. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of analyzing data for your research project. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Number 1. Define your research objectives and hypotheses. Before we dive into data analysis, it's crucial to define your research objectives and hypotheses. Clearly articulate what you want to achieve with your study and formulate specific hypotheses. This step will guide your data analysis process. Number 2. Collect and organize data. Now that you have your research objectives and hypotheses in place, it's time to collect your data. Depending on your research design, this can involve surveys, interviews, experiments, or other methods. Once you have your data, ensure it is well organized and structured for analysis. Number 3. Clean and pre-process data. Data cleaning and pre-processing are crucial to ensure the accuracy and reliability of your analysis. Remove any inconsistencies, errors, or outliers from your dataset. Standardize variables, handle missing data, and transform variables if needed. This step sets the foundation for robust analysis. Number 4. Choose the right analysis methods. Selecting the appropriate analysis methods depends on your research questions and data type. Common analysis techniques include descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, regression analysis, factor analysis, and more. Consult with a statistician or refer to relevant literature to choose the best methods for your study. Number 5. Conduct data analysis. Now, it's time for the core of your research, data analysis. This step involves running your chosen statistical tests or analytical procedures. Perform calculations, generate graphs, and summarize your findings. Ensure you interpret the results accurately and in line with your research objectives. Number 6. Validate and interpret results. Data analysis isn't just about numbers, it's about understanding the meaning behind them. Validate your results by checking statistical significance, confidence intervals, or effect sizes. Interpret your findings within the context of your research objectives and hypotheses. Identify patterns, trends, and relationships to draw meaningful conclusions. Number 7. Present and visualize your findings. Your research isn't complete until you communicate your findings effectively. Present your results in a clear, concise, and visually appealing manner. Use tables, charts, and graphs to support your narrative. Remember, visual representations can greatly enhance the understanding and impact of your research. Number 8. Discuss limitations and future directions. Every research study has its limitations. Discuss these limitations and address potential sources of bias or confounding factors. Additionally, suggest future research directions to build upon your findings. This step demonstrates critical thinking and paves the way for further scientific exploration. Congratulations! You have completed the data analysis journey. By following these steps, you have gained valuable insights and contributed to the advancement of knowledge in your field. Now, it's time to take action. Apply your findings, share your research with peers, and inspire others to continue the scientific quest. Like this video and share it with a fellow postgraduate medical or PhD student. And do subscribe to our channel for more such content. Hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video. We provide full thesis guidance, publication in NMC approved journal, data analysis and interpretation, and scientific support. If you have any paper or publication related problems, or if you need any assistance or help with your dissertation and thesis, contact us via email or call us at the given number. Thank you. See you next week with another video.